Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, brings you the Salesian news across the globe. On 14th February 2024, Ash Wednesday, the first day of the team visit began with the Holy Eucharist presided over by the Rector Major, Cardinal Angel Fernandez Artime, together with all the participants in the chapel of the K. Long Retreat Center. In the homily, Father Ivo Collio, the General Counselor for Formation, invited everyone to reflect on reconciliation, sin and repentance. He affirmed that spiritual worldliness was fundamentally an unwillingness to serve with the desire to put oneself at the center of the world in one way or another. When God takes the first place in our lives, we truly become sons and servants, he stated, and encouraged everyone to become free of this pervasive ambiguity that often surrounds our lives. The young people from across the ZMB Vice Province, Zambia, Zimbabwe, Malawi, Namibia have convened in Bauleni at the Salesian Youth Animation Center for the first ever of its kind in the Salesian world, the Salesian Mobile Journalism Workshop nicknamed Sal Mojo. Speaking in his introductory remarks, Father Makich Makula, SDB, said, "I believe the future of the church is in Africa," as he noted the increase in Catholic Christians, and hence he decided to debut this groundbreaking workshop in the ZMB Vice Province. Having had an illustrious career in the Polish television and travelled over 30 times to Africa, Father Makich Makula, SDB, and his colleague Alexandra Stanskiewicz, a young journalist from Poland, seek to show to the world a positive African perspective. Following the words of Don Bosco, give yourself ample freedom to jump, run and shout as you please. Gymnastics, music, declamation, theatre, walks are very effective means of obtaining discipline, benefiting morality and health. On 10th February, the Don Bosco Sanctuary of Banla Guda Jagir in Hyderabad organized a day of sports and games for the young people of the Archdiocese of Hyderabad. The meeting focused on the transmission of the Salesian participatory and collaborative lifestyle to the church and society. 300 young people from 18 parishes participated in the various activities including badminton, football, table tennis and volleyball competitions. The event entirely coordinated and organized by the young people and leaders of the Don Bosco Sanctuary in Hyderabad represented an opportunity to get together and show a true sporting spirit. South of the Colombian capital Bogota is Ciudad Bolivar, an agglomeration of neighborhoods composed of dilapidated houses that are home to more than 1 million people, most of them displaced by the Colombian conflict and refugees from other Latin American countries. The Salesian Mission Office Madrid, Misiones Salesianas, in collaboration with the Spanish television program TVE, Pueblo de Dios, went to Colombia last November to tell about the work that Salesians carry out in the two Salesian provinces of Colombia. The first episode is entitled Oasis of Peace South of Bogota and focuses precisely on the commitment of the Salesians to inhabitants of Ciudad Bolivar in order to improve their living conditions. Here, the Juan Bosco Obrero Popular Formation and Promotion Center offers technical and job training programs such as circus art and supports minors, young people and their families to encourage their hope and ability to dream. Cardinal Angel Fernandez Artime, Rector Major of the Salesians of Don Bosco, and the General Councillors arrived at Lien Quang Airport, Dalat, Lamdong at approximately 5:20 p.m. on 13th of February. The Superior of the Salesian Province of Vietnam, Father Barnabas Lian Phong, together with the inspectorial councillors and other Salesian delegations from other countries, welcomed them joyfully at the airport, after which Everyone moved to the San Luigi Versiligia community of Keelong and then headed to the Center for Spiritual Exercises, where the team visit took place. In the evening at 7 p.m., all the participants gathered for evening prayer and were welcomed and greeted by the Regional Councillor for East Asia Oceania, Father Joseph Nguyen Thin Phong. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.